Are you looking for the best 360-degree dash camera for your needs? Each of these cameras offers a 360-degree viewing angle, so you can capture all the action around your car. Plus, they all come with a variety of features to make your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. So let's get started. Next Base Dashcam front and rear camera small with app. The Next Base Dashcam are designed to offer a high-performance, discreet, and advanced level of dashcam technology. The Next Base rear window camera fits directly into your rear window via a wired connection to your front Next Base Series 2 dashcam. It uses a 140-degree viewing angle to capture events on the road behind you as you drive. It can easily be installed in any vehicle's rear window with an easy-to-install self-adhesive pad and neodymium magnets to be used at any angle. Next Base Emergency SOS can alert the emergency service of your location and other details. Using Bluetooth 4.2, low-energy technology, and Wi-Fi connectivity, your latest video files can easily be sent to your smartphone or tablet. The emergency alert that is sent to the integrator and emergency services includes GPS location and heading as standard, but also other personal details such as medical history, blood type, and allergies. Next Base Dashcam front and rear cameras small with app. The Next Base is a 5 inches touchscreen, front and rear video dashcam with loop recording for continuous recording, even if the SD memory card reaches full capacity. Equipped with a f1.6 glass lens and 1080p front and 720p rear simultaneous recordings, it offers high-quality visual clarity of your journey on the road. The built-in high-quality microphone and speaker located discreetly at the bottom of your device enable crystal-clear stereo audio for an immersive experience. The 322GW is a super small yet powerful driver assistance device that captures your surroundings in real time. With loop recording on a dashcam and 6-lane wide viewing angle, saving you time before or after the incident, you will always be able to see what happened. The small screen can show your speed or road-ahead view, all your footage on the 2.5 inches award-winning IPS screen with upgraded picture resolution and clarity for high-quality recordings. Rexing V360-degree wide-angle dual-channel dashboard camera. The Rexing V360 360-degree wide-angle dual-channel dashboard camera is a high-performance dual-channel dashcam, aiming to meet your different needs. The dashcam screen will automatically switches to the reversing image when the reverse gear engaged. With 3 inches IPS touchscreen, shows the rear environment and trigger guideline for safe parking. A well-hidden witness that captures all events encountered on the road. Front camera captures 1440 by 1440 video, 30 FPS. Rexing V360 dashcam has no dead angle monitoring of the whole car environment, achieving 360-degree panoramic view design, which can automatically switch to the reversing image when reverse gear engaged. The front camera built-in super wide-angle fisheye lenses, which capture the road front and inside passenger simultaneously. List number: QOAU 1080p FHD dashcam. QOAU 1080p FHD car dashcam, a professional dashcam with a large f2.0 aperture. WDR, wide dynamic range technology, and 140-degree wide angle for 6 lanes of view. The built-in hotspot module of the car dashcam allows you to view, change settings, download and share footage directly from the app. After opening and connecting, app FiCam Mini Body can be hidden behind the rear view mirror. The lens can be rotated 360 degree. You can put it in any position in your car. This car dashcam records in 1080p clarity with a large f2.0 aperture and WDR technology for excellent recording of your desired trip images, even in different lighting conditions. It's an ideal solution for those who do not care about their privacy during the day and can ensure their safety during work hours by using this device that has been designed for day or night driving. List 5. Kawa 360 Dash Camera. The Kawa 360 dash camera is the perfect addition to your daily commute. With 2 times clearer than most 1080p dash cams, our 2K dash camera captures license plates and road signs without blind spots. We also use a 6 Full HD spherical glass lens that allows you to see clearly while driving in low-light situations. With a compact design and budget-friendly price, this dashcam is great for everyday use. It features super high resolution of 1440p, 2 times clearer than most 1080p dashcams, capturing license plates, road signs, pedestrians, and other details on the road. With a 145-degree wide angle, this dashcam enables you to monitor more lanes without blind spots. And with its 6 Full HD spherical glass lens, our 2K dash camera features industry-leading starlight color night vision for clear images and videos even in low-light environments at night while recording, without auxiliary light sources.